conquering evil and death through his glorious wonderful life yet to be. Heaven where folks waiting for me. Can you say goodnight to Chi-Chi? Say goodnight, Chi-Chi, love you.
Beep.
Give Chi-Chi a kiss, please.
Beep. Beep.
Thank you.
Beep. What's that?
Honk.
It's a tractor.
It's a bus.
What does the bus say? What does the truck say?
The truck says, Willow's truck says beep.
Okay, good night, boys. Say good night, Daddy. Good night, Archie.
What does the truck say?
Beep.
Beep.
Beep. Beep.
Beep, beep.
Beep.
Honk.
Help.
Help, help, help.
Oh.
Beep.
What does the truck say?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Beep.
Honk.
Daddy.
Beep.
Huh?
What does he say?
Go. Sit.
You wanna go to sleep?
He said,
I have big freaking things to do.
I'm stuck.
Richie, are you going to bed now?
Daddy.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help, help, help. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
That's what he was saying. Help, help.
Good night, Leo.
You say good night to Daddy. What, honey? Huh? Say love you.
Say good night.
Bus. It's a bus.
Anything you want to say to the video?
Good night.
I say heat wave. Heat wave.
Heat wave.
Energon.
Energon. Did you have fun tonight in the K McKinley's? What did you do there?
I was playing with Grant.
Yeah.
Where's Scarlet?
Grant and Scarlet, huh? It was a lot of fun. How's your mom doing?
He's good. She's playing. We'll go back to bed.
That's true. I love you, bud. Richie? I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, good. Ah!